Here we have a beautiful stone tree fence that was installed and painted by the homeowner. And now we're going to install lights, these post lights right here. And these are solar, so they actually take no electricity. And we're going to core into the caps. The caps are removable. And we're able to core into the caps and attach fittings from PVC pipes that the light sits on. And it works with the sun with no power. So we'll show you what it's like and how bright they are when we're done.
We're using 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe to run our conduit or run our base for it. It's pretty much just a little over 2 1/4 inches thick. So we have to make sure when we drill our holes, it's at least 2 1/2 inches to 2 3/4 inch wide, as we'll show you. Then we're going to use a coupling to stop it from popping out of the post once we go and install the lantern on top of it. And our hole is just about 2 3/4 wide, which is perfect for the 2-inch Schedule 40 to slide through it. And the coupling will sit on the top of here, and that's where the post will be attached to. Then we're going to show you, put a coupling underneath so it doesn't pop out. So we'll wash this off, and we'll go from there. And as you see, you come up a little bit. The concrete's just about 2 inches thick. So your bit doesn't have to be that long, but you have to dig through about 2 inches of concrete before you get to the back side of this, which is hollow. So that's what it looks like. And next we're going to put the coupling in and the fittings and go from there. Okay, here we are. I've already attached the coupling to the top of this with a 2-inch PVC. I made this approximately about 5 1/2 inches long. So it attaches here, then I'll attach the coupling underneath. But you probably can make it about 1 inch shorter depending on what your lantern's height of its connection is. So we flip this over. It's like this. So then all we do is take some primer, put primer around it. As you can see, there's a little extra length. I could have made that a little shorter. Then we slide it in. And we can show you, well, the ground's there, but that goes right through it. It can't come out. Then we're going to put it on top of the fence and attach the light post. Here we are. And here's where we just put a little bit of caulking in, just to help for adhesive purposes, just in case the screws don't grab it really tight. Just put a couple daubs in there. Then we slide it down, make sure it's nice and straight. Then we're going to tighten these screws, and our lamp post should be in good shape.